In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple tasks in Todoist. This is a very simple but incredibly useful skill that can save you a lot of time when you're organizing your to-do list. Instead of dealing with each task one by one, you'll be able to select several tasks at once and then apply the same action to all of them together. This is especially handy when you're cleaning up your projects, rescheduling a bunch of items, or closing out a busy day. First, make sure you have Todoist open on your computer. The method we're going to use works best on the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Once you're in Todoist, navigate to the project or view that contains the tasks you want to work with, so you can clearly see them listed on your screen. Now, look through your list and decide which tasks you want to select. To start selecting multiple tasks, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. If you're using Windows or Linux, this will be the Control key. On a Mac, you'll usually use the Command key instead, but the idea is exactly the same. You're going to hold down that modifier key while you click on each task. While you're holding down the Control key, use your mouse or trackpad to click on the first task you want. You should see it become highlighted or visually selected. Without letting go of the Control key, move to the next task you want and click that as well. It will be added to your selection. Keep holding the key and continue clicking on any other tasks you want to include. Each click adds another task to the group. If you accidentally click the wrong task while still holding the Control key, simply click it again. In most cases, this will remove it from your selection. Take your time here and make sure only the tasks you really want are highlighted. Once you're happy with your selection, you can release the Control key. All of the tasks you clicked will remain selected. From here, you can apply any action that Todoist allows for multiple tasks at once, such as completing them, changing their due date, moving them to another project, or assigning them to someone else, depending on your setup. That's all there is to it. Hold down the Control key, click each task you want, and then perform your action on all of them together. With this simple technique, managing your task in Todoist becomes much faster and more efficient.